very good morning to all. Welcome to my online class. Today I will discuss a new chapter, chapter number 7, algebra. So all of you open your books and let's start with me. Let's start the chapter. So what is algebra? Algebra is related to tell you about an unknown value. Okay. So one or more unknown values are there in algebra. So we have to find this unknown value. So I have told about unknown value. The unknown value means any alphabetical number. For example, A, B, C or X, Y, Z. As you wish, you can give this number or alphabet. Okay. Variable means if you have to find any number, for example, in this box plus 2 is equal to 10. So in this box what will be the number? All of you know. So there will be 8. So if you don't know this number, so we can place this x. That means we don't know this value. Okay, with which we add 2 so that we get 10. So x plus 2 is equal to 10. That means x is a variable. Why? So we don't know about this x. Okay, then for example, in this box plus 45 is equal to 100. So we cannot find this easily. So we put here A or B or C. You can put any alphabet. So this will be the A plus 45 is equal to 100. So this A will be what? Variable. Okay, understand the concept of variable. Variable means any unknown value. Okay, we have to identify this variable with alphabet A, B, C, X, Y, Z as you wish. Okay, understand? So let's start the chapter. Exercise 7.1. In question number 2, question number 1 is not necessary. So question number 2, write the formula for calculating the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle, all of you have read in class 5. So I am revise again. So what is equilateral triangle? So equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all sides are equal. That means this side or this side are equal. So I let this name as A. So as this is A, so this will be also A, this will be also A. Why? Because these all sides are equal, so that this is an equilateral triangle. So we have to find the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. So perimeter means the boundary of this total boundary of this triangle. That means we have to measure this side and this side. So we have to simply what? Plus A plus A plus A, isn't it? So we have to put this perimeter as A plus A plus A. That means how many A's are there? 3A. 3 into A. That means thrice A or 3A. Okay, understand? So equilateral means all sides equal. So we have to find a perimeter. Perimeter means these 3 sides. Okay, total length of this 3 sides. So total length means we have to plus these sides, and I have put this side as A. Okay, you can put X also, Y also, as you wish. Then perimeter means A plus A plus A. So 3 into A, there are 3 A's. Then 3A or thrice A. Okay. Then question number 3, write the formula for the perimeter of the following: square and rectangle. All of you know the formula of square. So what is the perimeter of square? So all of you know square means all 4 sides are equal. So I have put here x, x, x and x. As all sides are equal, so all are x. Okay. So to find the perimeter, all of you know the formula. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Okay. So here I have put side as x. So perimeter will be 4 into x. That means 4x. Okay, understand? So just put the formula 4s, 4 into side. So in case of s, we have put x because we have let this side as x you can put here A also, B also. Okay, then rectangle, your sides I have put here A, this is B. As this is A, here also A. As this is B, this is also B, because two sides are equal, two sides are equal. That means all of you know perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Okay, here L is length, that means A, and B means breadth, which is B. Then rectangle 2 into A plus B. Okay, this is the answer, or you can write as 2A plus 2B. This is correct. Okay, no need to write this line. This is no need. Understand? Just remember the formula of the perimeter, and we know the formula is 2 into L plus B. So L is equal to A, I have put, and B is equal breadth is equal to B. You can put XY also. Okay, if you put X here, Y here, then what will be the formula? 2 into X plus Y. Okay, understood? Then come to the question number 4. Write algebraic expression for the following. Algebraic expression means algebra. So the sum of m and n. Sum means, all of you know, plus. That means answer will be the m plus n. Okay, that means sum means plus of what? M and n. M plus n. Okay, subtract 105 from x. From x means x minus 105. Then L divided by P. Divided means divide. Divided by P. Very simple. Sum of n and 422. That means n plus 422. Okay. Here C and D are for your homework. Okay. Then come to the question number 6. 5 is no needed. Write the following as product. That means L plus L plus L plus L. How many L's are there? 4L. That means answer will be 4 into L. That means 4L. Here how many B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 into B. Answer will be 6B. Okay. Then this is reverse of question number 6. Write the following as additions. That means 4x. How many x's? 4x plus x plus x plus x. 4 x's are there. How many x? 7x. X plus x up to 7. Okay, understand? This is very simple. 6 and 7. Try to understand the exercise 7.1, and if you have find any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.